Hi friends, high voltage. Have you ever wanted to ride your electric scooter but realized the charger is missing or broken? That can be really frustrating. In this video, I'll share with you step-by-step methods to charge your scooter without its original charger. Let's jump right in and solve this problem together. Step 1. Check your scooter's battery specifications. First, check the voltage and amp requirements of your scooter's battery. This information is usually written on the battery pack or in the scooter manual. You must know this before trying any charge. Step 2. Use a universal charger. If you don't have the original charger, a universal charger with adjustable voltage and current can work. Just set it to match your scooter's battery and connect it properly. Step 3. Try a laptop or power supply adapter. In some cases, you can use a laptop adapter or a regulated DC power supply. But make sure the output voltage matches your scooter battery, otherwise it can be risky. Step 4. Use another scooter charger. If you have access to a friend's or another scooter's charger with the same output rating, you can safely use it. Just ensure the connector fits or use an adapter if needed. Step 5. Safety precautions. Always monitor the charging process, avoid overcharging, and never use a mismatched charger. Wrong voltage can permanently damage your scooter battery. And that's it! Now you know some safe alternatives for charging your electric scooter without the original charger. Remember, these are temporary solutions. It's always best to get an official replacement charger for long-term use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scooter tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.